Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best standby generators that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're prepping for power outages or looking for reliable backup electricity for your home, these auctions stand out for their features, performance, and value. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 3, we have the Generac 1086 Watt-hour Portable Power Station, a versatile and eco-friendly solution for portable power needs. This compact power station is perfect for camping trips, RV adventures, or even indoor use during brief outages. It features a lithium-ion battery that provides clean, emission-free power, making it a great alternative to traditional gas-powered generators. With a wireless charging pad and a user-friendly 4.7-inch display, it offers both convenience and modern functionality. The design is sleek and portable, weighing just 29 pounds, so it's easy to carry around. It charges quickly too, achieving 0 to 80% in just 2.1 hours via a wall outlet. You can also recharge it using solar panels, your car, or other generators, adding to its versatility. The 1086 watt-hour capacity is sufficient for powering small appliances and electronics, making it ideal for short-term use. However, with only a 2-hour runtime at full load, it's not suitable for extended outages or high-powered devices. This power station is perfect for tech-savvy users who value portability and clean energy. While it's not as powerful as traditional standby generators, its emission-free operation and wireless charging feature make it stand out. Pros include its compact design, multiple charging options, and user-friendly display. The cons are its relatively short runtime and high price for its capacity. Overall, it's an excellent choice for eco-conscious users with light power needs. Taking the number 2 spot is the Generac 7050 Amp Load Manager. This budget-friendly option is designed to optimize the performance of your standby generator by allowing you to prioritize essential loads during power outages. With support for up to 8 modules, it gives you unparalleled flexibility in managing your home's power needs. The wire-free technology ensures seamless operation, automatically shedding loads to keep your generator stable when power demand exceeds capacity. The build quality is durable yet lightweight, making installation simple and hassle-free. The external LED status display is a standout feature, allowing you to monitor load status without opening the electrical box. For added convenience, the lockout feature ensures that non-essential loads are blocked when running on generator power, ensuring that critical items like refrigerators or medical devices stay powered. This load manager is ideal for residential users who want to maximize the efficiency of their standby generator without breaking the bank. While it's not a generator itself, it significantly enhances the performance of your existing setup. Pros include its affordability, ease of installation, and customizable load prioritization. The only con is that it requires an existing generator to function. Overall, it's a smart investment for anyone looking to optimize their home's power management system. Finally, at number 1, we have the Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment ST Switch. This premium option is a game-changer in the world of standby power solutions. It's a DIY smart portable automatic transfer switch that seamlessly switches between utility and generator power, ensuring uninterrupted operation for critical appliances like sump pumps, refrigerators, and security systems. With its smart switch technology, it monitors utility power and instantly starts your generator when needed, while also charging the generator's battery. The design is compact and lightweight at just 9 pounds, making it easy to install without the need for an electrician. It's compatible with Westinghouse portable generators featuring smart switch-ready outlets, offering up to 2,400 watts of power. The plug-and-play installation and intuitive LED indicator lights make it user-friendly, even for first-time users. The unit is built with high-quality materials like copper and brass contacts, ensuring durability and reliability. While it's on the pricier side, the ST Switch's performance and versatility justify the investment. It's perfect for homeowners who want a reliable, hands-free solution to keep essential devices powered during outages. The pros include its automatic operation, compatibility with multiple Westinghouse generators, and ease of use. The cons are its limited compatibility with non-Westinghouse generators and its higher cost. Overall, it's the best choice for users looking for a high-performance, hassle-free power management solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay powered up and take care.